Assalamualaikum. My name is Adiba Kamran and today I will talk about the color exploration. I have this project for this experiment. First I have this spoon and I have a clean water and vinegar. I will use the 20 ml vinegar. Then if I use the pigmented water in this vinegar, 3 drops of pigmented water, then I shake it. And I also have this clean water and this detergent. Now I have this jar. And the some parts of it. And then I will use the baking soda. 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 part more. If you see, this experiment was done. Thank you so much for watching.